Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn big alphabets and small alphabets. Kids colors name: red color, white color, blue color, yellow color, black color, green color. Kids, today we learn big alphabets and small alphabets. Kids, first we coloring big alphabets, and first we draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane. Kids, now we coloring small alphabets. A for apple, A for aeroplane. Kids, now I draw B. B for ball, B for bat, and here is white color. Big alphabets. Kids, again use white color and draw C. B. B for ball, B for bat. Small alphabets. Kids, now to C. C for cat, C for car, and use blue color. Big alphabets. C. C for cat, C for car. Small alphabets. Kids, neither D. D for dog, D for doll, and use yellow color. Big alphabets. Kids, again use yellow color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. Small alphabets. Kids, neither E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use black color. Big alphabets. E. E for egg, E for elephant. Small alphabets. Kids, neither F. F for fish, F for fan, and here is green color. Big alphabets. Kids, again use green color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Small alphabets. Kids, now do G. G for goat, G for grapes, and here is red color. Big alphabets. Kids, again use red color and draw G. G for goat, G for grapes. Small alphabets. Kids, neither H. H for hand, H for helicopter, and here is white color. Big alphabets of H. Kids, again use white color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. Small alphabets of H. Kids, neither I. I for ice, I for ice cream, and use blue color. Big alphabets of I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Small alphabets of I. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.